To install your Tusk Front Camera kit for Ride Command on the Polaris RZRs, you first want to determine your mounting location. So older machines are gonna have a mount on the front panel on your hood. On the newer machines, you're gonna have a mounting location in the front fascia right here. We'll start out by removing some panels to gain access to the area we're gonna be working in. If you're mounting onto a front panel, make sure it's removed before drilling. If you do need to drill into the fascia, make sure there's nothing on the backside that could be damaged. Clean the hole up with a file or sandpaper. And since we're going with the fascia mounting location, we do need to remove our grill. Now to mount the camera, be aware that the plug-in is gonna be on top of the hood on older machines, and newer machines, it's gonna be behind your passenger light. So you wanna route this wire accordingly. So we'll be routing this down. And this arrow, you want that facing straight up. And then we can install the lock ring on the back and tighten it down. Next, locate the wire lead for your front camera. On the older machines, this is gonna be a little bit easier to find. On the newer machines, up behind that headlight, it's a little bit harder to find. It's gonna have a black cover over it. We're gonna pull that cover off, and then you're gonna see a white 4-pin connector. We'll go ahead and route our wires over and plug it in. And just make sure that your connector is fully clipped into place. I'm gonna tuck the wires up and reinstall my body panels. And then last but not least, we're gonna remove these stickers from the camera.